Hey everybody, 75 Built here with one of our nice rides. This nice ride is Laura's Teardrop trailer that's been in her family for a couple generations. This is her 1953 Benroy Teardrop. Her uncle restored the kitchen, so there are some upgrades there from the original, but all the back taillights, windows, and hardware are original. It even has a custom spare to a table feature, problem solving at its finest. They don't make them like this anymore. For more nice rides, like and subscribe, and if you're in the SoCal area, let us know about a nice ride you want featured. Thanks, and enjoy!
Like a hatchback?
Yeah.
And I've got here, I inherited it from my grandmother.
Oh, heck yeah.
She had the matching Pontiac that went with it. So, and you can see how the kitchen looks.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah!
That's awesome.
Yeah!
Amazing.
I meet lots of people with this thing, as you can
Oh,
imagine.
sure, yeah.
We still have the car in the family, but it's just not reliable,
Sure.
so, yeah. Uh-oh.
Gas mileage.
Yep.
Do you sleep in this?
Pardon?
Do you sleep in
Oh yeah, so it's a little bed in here. So once I get all this other stuff out, you sleep in it, yeah. So it's a little bed in here.
Awesome.
Yeah!
So cool.
Come by.
Itty bitty. That's awesome.
Wait, can you squeak out that way? Is there enough room for you, or should I pull up a little bit? Okay. Oh yeah, sorry, my phone.
Have you ever jackknifed in this thing?
Well,
Really?
I mean, like backing up and it like jackknifes, and so I'm not great at backing up, and everyone keeps telling me that the little ones are actually harder to back up
Oh,
than
really?
like the big trailers, because you make one little move and it
Wow.
reacts that quickly. You can see, like, if I kept backing up, it would jack.
Oh yeah. You can tell right away.
Yeah.